Okay, if you've been assigned booth number 8, you're the snow cones. And here you are right here, in the middle here, under the top. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with your table. That's where everything starts. These are your table legs. Now let me show you. Everything that we do, all of this equipment's loaded on these carts right here. Okay, everything. Now, your table legs, this is A, B, and C. It says C on the end of it. Your table legs are on C. See them on the top up there?
Table legs are up there.
These are up there at the top. And your top, your table top is D. Right up here on the top, D2.
D2. There's
See
the
where the
table.
tables are up there? That's where your tabletop is. Now, let me show you something. Here's what you got to do. These table legs, when you pull them off of that cart C right there, they're going to be folded up. That makes them a lot easier to haul. See there? All right, here's all you do. Spread them out and flip this all the way around. And the round pin goes in the square hole.
Wait a minute.
Do it again. Here it is on this side. Round pin and the square hole. Look at that. Now it's good and solid. It won't go anywhere. Okay?
Same thing for over there.
Do the same thing over there. All right. Now you're ready for your tabletop. Hand me that. Let me get a hold of this tabletop right here. I got it. All right. Now let me show you how this works. If you want to see right here, this is close to this edge, this is close to this edge. You don't want them here in the middle, it'll turn over. Plus, this piece of square tubing right here will fit perfect, right between this piece of wood and this piece of wood. And that's how you want to do it. You want to set it down, look at that. You don't want it cocked up like this, look at that. You want to set it down flat, just like that. It's good and solid. Now, what you do is once you get this done, you go over to the food service area and you tell the C&M food foreman over there that you need a cover, a table cover for your table. Now this one right here may be a little bit short. I don't know. Yeah, it is. But they'll cut you one. I messed up when I cut this one, but they know what they're doing. They'll cut you one that's big enough to where it's like that one over there. It drapes down like the popcorn. It'll drape down all the way around, okay? And it'll look a whole lot better. But anyway, this tells you, just give you the idea. Now, the concessions cart over here is cart number E. We're gonna go over there and we're gonna show you everything that you need, okay? So let's walk over there. Okay, now I'm gonna have this flashlight because it's dark out here, but it's cooler. And I'll show you. This is E3. This is your snow cone machine. It's got your scoop, it's got your little scoop, and it's got your water bucket, and it's got your snow cone dipper. All of that's inside of here, okay? Now, the other thing you're gonna need is E6 down here on the bottom. That's your snow cone cups. If you look, you got a dispenser here, and that's where the cups go, okay? Now, the other thing you're gonna need is E7 right here, and that's your juice. That's your snow cone juice, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna carry this stuff over there and we're gonna show you how to set it up and exactly how it works, okay? So we'll pick back up over there in just a little bit. Okay, if you've been assigned booth number 8, you're running the snow cones. Here you are in the middle booth here. Popcorn will be on this side, and there's a roulette wheel that goes over here. Now, when you get here, our staff will already have this machine and this table set up. We'll have a cooler here for you. The only thing you got to do is go over there to cart E. Everything we do is on carts, cart E. And on the bottom, you're going to see this milk crate, which is E number 7. And you're going to see this tote right here, which is E number 6. Okay, in the tote is nothing but snow cone cups. And the cart and the crate is nothing but snow cone juice. Now, I'm not going to make snow cones here and dirty up this machine to show you how to do it. It's so simple. Here's all you do. Back here, you got 2 switches, one on the right, one on the left. The one on the left says motor. What you do is you turn that on. And that turns on the snow cone machine. All right, now I'm gonna cut it off because I'm gonna tell you how you do it. Your ice is in here. You don't even use this big scoop, really. I don't even know why they got it in here. You can use it if you want to put it in the top with it. You can use it. Use whichever one's more comfortable to you. But what you do is you scoop up the ice out of here. Scoop it up and just pour it in here. That's all you got to do is close that lid. That's all you got to do. And it'll shavings will come out here. Now you want to pile it up here. You know, grind you up some ice and look, pile it up, have a little mountain of it right here. What you do not do, what you absolutely do not do, is you do not put your hand down in the top of this thing, period, and you do not put your hand up in the bottom in this hole, period. If you have any trouble, if the machine hangs up, or if anything happens, all you do is cut the switch off and get the person, your foreman, from seeing him and tell him, and they'll fix it. But don't stick this thing here, down in here, or up in here. Don't do any of that. Nothing goes down here, nothing goes here, especially your hands. All right? Once you grind up a bunch of ice, what you do is you take this ladle. And what this ladle's for is to get it in my hand, is to twist like this. And what you want to do is make a ball of ice. And you roll up a ball of ice with it out of your mountain of ice. Roll it up. And then once you get you a ball of ice, here's your cup. Dispenser's over here. Pull you down a cup, put it in there. Put your ball of ice in your cup. Then all you do is ask them what flavor they want. There'll be different flavors. And all you do is pour this in there. That's all you do, and hand it to them. It's just that simple. That's all you got to do to make snow cones. Now, when the event's over with, our staff will come and get this machine. All you got to put up is the crate, this E7, and the tub over here, this E6. That's all you got to do. They'll come and get the machine. They'll get the table, they'll get the legs. Don't worry about any of that. But they'll come get it, okay?
E7 and E6 is off of E cart. Right there.
Right over there, you see it's on the bottom. Both of them on the bottom shelf. Now, once you put that up, what you do is you get with your people on the popcorn and over here on the roulette wheel, which is booth 6, 7, and 8. And y'all three will take this down. What you want to do is you want to go to the booth breakdown video. And what you want to do is look at it. And it will tell you exactly how to break down this booth and put it up. It's nothing to it. So when the event's over with, you should already look at this way before you ever get to the event, the booth breakdown. You should already know what you got to do. So when the event's over with, follow the directions that are in the booth breakdown video and take down your booth. And that's all you got to do. That's it. Have fun.